Let's light the candles, get cozy, and start baking a red velvet cake. Sift 2½ cups flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and ½ tsp salt. Mix 1 cup milk with 1 tablespoon vinegar and let it sit. In another bowl, beat 1/2 cup butter until smooth. Add Add 2½ cups sugar and 2 eggs, one at a time. Red food coloring. Mix in the dry ingredients and the prepared buttermilk. Then Then stir in 1 tablespoon baking soda, plus 1 teaspoon vinegar. Grease your pan, pour in the batter, and bake at 350 degrees. Once cooled, decorate and enjoy your delicious red velvet cake.